With everyone's eyes on the Federal Reserve this September, one key question looms. How will their next rate cut impact the housing market? Whether you're a home buyer or a seller, understanding what's ahead could save you thousands. Let's dive into what the Fed's next move could mean for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mario Dove, your go-to for all things real estate in the Hampton Roads area. Today, we're going to talk about the Federal Reserve's upcoming decision to cut the federal fund rate and how it will impact the housing market. You might be wondering, what does a rate cut mean for mortgage rates, home affordability, and the overall market? Well, let's break it down, explore why this matters, and look at how it could benefit you, whether you're buying or selling. What is the federal fund rate, and why should you care about a rate cut? Well, the federal fund rate is the interest rate that banks charge each other for overnight loans. Essentially, how much are banks charging to borrow money from one another? The federal fund rate influences a lot more than just mortgage rates. It directly influences many interest rates, including those on auto loans, credit cards, and interest-bearing accounts like savings accounts. It's a signal on how the broader economy is performing, and it affects everything from inflation to employment. When the Fed cuts this rate, it usually signals that inflation is under control and that the economy is slowing down. As a result, mortgage rates often follow suit and begin to drop as well. But don't expect mortgage rates to plummet overnight. Experts are warning that a single cut won't cause drastic changes, but it could contribute to a gradual decrease in rates we're already seeing. The expectation is that we might see additional cuts throughout 2025, which could further push down mortgage rates. So what will happen to mortgage rates if the Fed decides to make cuts? Well, experts from Fannie Mae, the National Association of Realtors, and Wells Fargo have all projected that mortgage rates could see a moderate decline due to these cuts. While it's not a drastic drop, this slow and steady decrease in rates is good news for both buyers and sellers. Lower mortgage rates means more affordable monthly payments for buyers, and it might encourage current homeowners to move if they've been hesitant because of the so-called lock-in effect. How does a federal funds rate cut help homeowners who feel stuck with their current mortgage rate? For homeowners, the lock-in effect refers to the reluctance to sell because of the low mortgage rates they locked in when they bought their current homes. A cut in the federal funds rate might make selling more appealing by slightly reducing current mortgage rates, although it's unlikely to flood the market with new listings immediately. If you're a homeowner who's been holding off on selling due to high mortgage rates, keep an eye on how these cuts unfold. It could soon be a better time to make a move while still securing a favorable rate on your next home. How does a rate cut make home buying more affordable? Well, for a potential home buyer, the gradual drop in mortgage rates is a game changer. Even a slight decrease in rates could make a big difference in affordability, bringing down the cost of home ownership. This could lead to a surge in buyer activity as more people will be able to afford homes that were previously out of reach. If you've been waiting for the right time to buy, these rate cuts can make now a great opportunity. But remember, trying to time the market perfectly is practically impossible. Instead, focus on whether it's the right time for you personally to buy. Bottom line, the Federal Reserve's upcoming rate cuts could have a positive, though gradual, impact on the housing market. Whether you're thinking of buying or selling, understanding these changes can help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned on how these cuts unfold, and when you're ready, reach out to explore options in this ever-changing market. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more real estate tips. Have questions about what the Fed's next move means for your real estate plans? Drop them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help. See you in the next video.